Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, trying to stay at home as much as you can, keep your hands washed, all that good jazz. Besides the obvious, guys, I do have some good news for you. So, as most of y'all already know, the BoxyCharm May Premium Box, the choice and add-ons were open today. So I know, again, a lot of people already know what they're getting and everything. So I do have some dates for you. They've also got this new option where if you didn't choose anything or whatever, you are able to see what your choice item is going to be starting on the 21st. So I'll give y'all all that information right here in a minute. Also, more information about BoxyCharm Live, the date, and everything like that. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video. It was the Ipsy May Round 2 spoilers, and that's for the standard bag, y'all. Thank you so much, Iris. Iris says, hey, Mandy, thanks for the spoilers. Be safe. Well, Iris, I really appreciate that, honey, and I hope you're being safe as well. I hope everything is going good for you, and I really appreciate you coming by to watch the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So we're going to start with the May BoxyCharm Premium Choice Items. I'm going to show you what they had for choice items. And again, a lot of people already picked. And again, the add-ons was open today too. So the first thing was either the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer or the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Concentrate Cream, and then the Smashbox Cosmetics Photo Edit Eye Trio. Now, again, whoever got to choose already knows what they're getting, so let us know what did you pick down in the comments. For the ones that didn't get to choose or don't like to choose, if you do want to see what you will be getting as your choice item, starting on Tuesday, April 21st, you could go to BoxyCharm.com and go check that out. Just go to your BoxyCharm account and you can see what you're getting as your choice item then. And again, add-ons was also open today. So if you got any add-ons, let us all know what you picked for add-ons. Now, the next thing, guys, is about BoxyCharm Live. It is going to be April 24th at 4 p.m. Now, I've seen this at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on our Instagram, and I believe they're doing some kind of an Instagram Live on April the 24th, and again, that is at 4 p.m., so you might want to mark that down in your calendar. That way, you can go and check it out and see what's going on. And, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Amanda Chisholm. Amanda says, hey, Mandy, thanks for the video. I love the spoilers. Well, Amanda, you are more than welcome. Honey, if I didn't have this to do, I'm telling you, I'd go nuts. I really would. Y'all would see a totally different person because I would flip out. But anyways, honey, I do appreciate you coming by and watching the video. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers. But if you would, check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.